You will not believe what happened to me today. At about 9:45 in the morning, I was at the Union, and one of my friends came up to greet me. As usual habit of mine, I reached for my phone. And as I reached, all of a sudden I saw my phone start to fall. And I was looking and watching it fall, and there was nothing I could do because my reaction was so late. Then it fell. It didn't fall soft. It fell real hard. And in fact, everybody in the Union heard it. And so when I looked at my phone and went to pick it up, I knew something was wrong. I picked it up and tried to turn it on. It wouldn't turn on. This was devastating to me because it was a business phone of mine. And in fact, as a college student, and about, I guess, anybody that has a phone, nowadays we are so dependent on technology. And I felt as if I had nothing. I couldn't get into contact with anyone, and no one could get in contact with me. And so I said to myself, what could I do? I couldn't do much because I had a class at 10 o'clock. So I decided to go to my classes and hopefully after they ended, go to get my phone fixed. I did. I traveled around the Champaign-Urbana area, and I went to the Sprint store in the mall. Couldn't do much for me. Not a thing. Then I decided to go to another Sprint store, and they helped me. Within 15 minutes, I walked out of there with a brand new phone. It's a wonderful thing. And I admit I was really frustrated at the beginning, but now everything has left me, and I am relatively calm, cool, and collective. So when you get to college, something like this might happen to you, but you must stay calm because in the end, everything will work itself out. Take care.